Church bell, VASEL mission, TNPSC, UPSC, bank exam. Episode number 394. World Peace Conference, Lecture 2006, Part 49. Workshop on Environment, Ecology and Development. Summary of lecture given by VASEL. Dear ladies and gentlemen, as a multicultural people, we live on one finite earth. Now the words of our father Gandhi stands before our eyes. The earth is sufficient for every man's need, but there is no room for a man's greed. Major natural disasters such as climate change, tsunamis, earthquakes, floods, and droughts, and melting glaciers in this millennium are all major drawbacks of our environmental mismanagement. It is now more evident than ever that the end days or that the end of the earth is coming near. It would not be an exaggeration to say we must go beyond our limits. This is not the level to go beyond our level. Our disasters are caused by our actions, that is, being against nature makes us vulnerable in condition. We realize that disasters are very worst happenings in our life, and we go about rebuilding the lives of such suffering people. We must strive beyond relief and rehabilitation to install hope in their lives and ensure that their essential needs are fully met. Not only did they volunteer generously and financially during the tsunami, we could see that they were eager to do volunteering. Nowadays, we see a lot of heavy machines producing large quantities of products that emit air pollution and induce high consumption. Natural resources are scarce with increasing population. We find several natural calamities like climate changes, global warming, environmental pollution, and contamination and degradation of soil, water, and air. It is obvious that all these are increasing poverty and natural disaster. How can we protect the future generation from disaster? All of us in this world are aware of many important issues. However, we find the following are to be followed by national leaders. The national leaders must ensure 1. Do your best to stop the production of weapons and armaments and to stop fighting with chemical weapons. 2. Avoid chemical fertilizers and pesticides and ensure large-scale protection of natural manures and pesticides. Number 3. Give strict instruction to all industries to take steps to dispose of hazardous waste plastics in a safe manner. Number 4, ensure to implement conservation water sources and rivers and take steps to conserve rainwater through rainwater harvesting system. Make arrangements to peacefully connect all major rivers to spread water resources to all states. 5. Be prepared to build coastal shelters in all marine hazard zones to protect people from rising sea levels. Number 6. Ensure healthy living of all people in all states, really in villages, that is rural areas and urban areas also. Number 7. Ensure a reduction of 20% by providing ration card to all consumers of fuel and energy. Fuel or petrol users are to regulation to avoid air pollution and thereby natural calamities will be solved. Number 8. A request may be submitted to the UNO to declare an indefinite year of peace from these days onwards. All the above speech, we can try to give you a summary, very simple, within 300 words, the following. Summarize the above speech into one third. The earth is sufficient for every man's need, but there is no room for a man's greed. Our natural disasters are caused by our actions, that is, being against nature, makes us vulnerable condition of living in the earth. National leaders should ensure 1. To stop the production of weapons, 2. To avoid production of chemical fertilizer and pesticides, 3. All industries to take steps to dispose the hazardous waste plastics in safe manner. 4. Try to take steps to conserve rainwater through rainwater harvesting system. 5. Try to connect all major rivers. 6. Try to build coastal shelters to protect people from rising sea levels. 6. Ensure healthy living of all people in all states in urban and rural areas. Number 7. Ensure a reduction of 20% cut by providing ration card to all fuel and energy consumers. 8. A request may be submitted to the UNO to declare an indefinite years of peace from now onwards. Only following the above methods, we would reduce the alarming disasters and natural calamities. Dear friends, we have given this passage within 8 or 9 minutes time. You should find in continuation some other important topics so that it will help you to prepare yourself. If there is a comprehension point of view, you can reduce it similar to the above. We will try to give you more and more other lessons. We will give you what are the meanings for the certain important words. The same speech is given in Tamil in the next video 395. You will be easily understood what the talk is given to the international people in the World Volunteer Conference by VASEL Trust during November 10th to 14th, 2006 by gathering all 120 countries representatives, and in front of them that the speech was given by VASEL Trust. Keep it in your mind. This type of your speech must be there, and you will be giving the best knowledgeable purpose of giving speech to others internationally, nationally. So we are going on clever people to understand, the students to know to write and speak very well in English also. Tamil version is followed in the next video. You keep it in mind. In order to get the videos regularly, you put your likeness, comment, share, and subscribe without fail. Thank you.